But I want to say this to you men. I want to talk to the men about loving your wife. Your wife getting upset at you or upset for any reason is not an excuse for you to argue back with her or to stop loving her. She deserves to be loved anyway because God only gave command directed to one person to love, and he never commanded the woman to love. He commanded the husband to love your wife. You have a direct commandment. When you argue back with your wife, you're not arguing at her, you're disobeying God. You step out of line. We never have the right from God to argue back with our wives. You as a man ought to love your wife even when she's going through her letters of the alphabet. PMS. That's my responsibility to do it. To love my wife when she's cranky. To love my wife when she's having a bad day. To love my wife when she's feeling down. To love my wife when she's upset at me. To love my wife when she's upset at my neighbors. To love my wife regardless. To love my wife even when she's spitting slurs at me. It's my responsibility to show her love. That's my job as a leader. How is she going to know love unless I show her?